So we're going to talk about systems of equations, word problems. I've told you, right from the start, systems of equations are outrageously powerful. And they're really, really useful for tons of different types of word problems. So they're worth knowing really well, really well. And I've taught you 3 methods. Graphing, solving it by graphing, which is not a very accurate way, not very easy, right? Solving algebraically by substitution, and solving algebraically by elimination, okay? Right? So, what? I'm sorry, this is a video, my dear, okay? So 10 tees and 3 used golf balls cost $2.55. 3 tees and 4 used golf balls cost $3.09. How much does each item cost? All right, let's just look at the first the first sentence. The first sentence is my first equation of my systems of equations. I have to have 2 equations, right? And you're going to love it. It's so easy. What would you think? Let's say I use the letter T for tees, and I use the letter B for balls, for golf balls, right? Use golf balls. So what would I be my equation? Look at it. It says 10 tees.
So what are we
10 T, right? 10 T, right? It says and, that doesn't say subtract, it says and, that's probably a plus. Do you agree with me? Plus, yes?
Yes. Sure. Yes.
So 10 T's plus 3B cost would be equals, right? Equals. Now I'm going to suggest for most of these that you turn dollars and cents into cents. What is $2.55 in cents?
255 cents.
255 cents. All you have to do is move the decimal place over to the right twice. So it's 255. Okay, you with me? That was pretty easy, right? 10 T's, 10 T, and plus 3 used golf balls, 3B, cost equals 255. That is the easiest thing.
Can you just
So
divide?
what is the second equation?
Oh my god, this is so easy.
Right. This is so easy. Equals 309.
Wait,
You with me?
wait, are we doing elimination right here?
That's what I'm going to do. Yes.
Thank you, Gary. Wait,
Good
I
job.
don't get it, but
So, does everybody understand how I set this up?
Yeah.
I have 2 unknowns. I have a T and I have a
So
B.
you have 13T, and then you can get 7B, and then you can add those, and then you
and
got...
they gap and get that.
Well, wait a minute. I can't add them yet, right? Because I got to use I got to figure out a way to eliminate one of them first, right? But the key is, I have 2 unknowns, I have 2 equations. With 2 equations, I can always solve for both unknowns. So, is everybody writing this down?
Yeah.
Are you for sure? Okay. So, what would I do? To me, right now, 30 seems like a big number. I'd rather start with smaller numbers, right? 12.
Yeah, so it'd be 4 and 3.
So I would rather multiply this times 4 and this times, they're both positive. So what would I do here?
Negative 3.
-3. Now, are we going to have fairly big numbers over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we use a calculator, right? Piece of cake. Calculators are easy, right? So my first equation, I'm going to multiply it out. So I got 40T plus 12B is equal to, anybody know that?
No, wait,
Come on guys, 4 times 255.
I don't know. Oh, it's easy. It's 600.
Come on, guys, you should all know that. It's 1,020,
You guys not know your 1,080.
right? Okay, the next one.
Yeah, Gavin, we know that.
All right, so negative 9T minus 12B equals, I could probably do that one, negative 927, am I right? Right? 3 times 9 is 27. Yeah, negative 927. All right, now, if I add the 2 equations together, will I eliminate something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll eliminate my B's, right? I'm going to add them together. That's going to give me 31 T's, right? 40 minus 9 is 31. Equals So we're gonna have to borrow here. So this is gonna have to become a 1 and a 10, so that's gonna be a 3, and then 2, I'm gonna have to make that a 9, and that's gonna be 11, so that's 9, so 93, right? So 31 is equal to 93, right? You with me?
Yes.
Actually,
Divide by 31, divide by 31,
T equals 3.
T equals 3. 3 what?
dollars.
3 T's.
What did we put it? This says dollars here, but what did we put it as?
Cents.
So we solved it as cents, right?
That's cheap.
If I had not switched this to cents, then I would have had all these decimals in here. Does that make sense? So my
10
choice,
T's is 30 cents.
my choice was to turn this into just cents so that I don't have to deal with decimals. Does that make sense?
Yes, it
Then I just have whole numbers. So T equals 3. So I know that a T costs 3 cents,
Now
right?
we have to find
So
balls.
T
We gotta find 3 T's.
costs
No, we gotta find
3 cents. All right, so I've got to now find my used golf balls, right? So we got, so I think I'm going to use,
Gary, I just figured something out. Gary.
Yeah.
You see the 9? You see so on our next equation, how it says 3 T's equals 3 T's and 4 used golf balls cost $3.09.
yeah,
And it's 3 T's, so 3 times 3 cents is 9. So that means
Really?
300 is like the amount that it's going to cost for 4 used golf balls.
all right. So I'm going to use the second equation. Right, good point. Good job. So 3 times 3
I think it's
plus 4b is equal to 309, right?
9.
Shh, guys, it's a video, right? Remember? We got 9 plus 4b equals 309, and as Bo noticed, when we subtract 9, it's just 4b is equal to 300,
Then
right?
divide by 4.
Now I've got to divide by 4.
And then it equals 120.
I'm sorry, who's? Somebody's talking. I don't know who, but,
Sorry, I was just explaining to him the whole
okay.
video thing.
All right, that's fine. So 300 divided by 4. So we got 300
It's a fraction.
divided by 4 is equal to 75. So the golf balls cost 75 cents. So used golf balls cost 75 cents. Right? Does that make sense? You see how easy these are? Right? They're not that bad. You just have to use a calculator or something for some of it. You don't have to, but you can. But basically, that is it. Where did I do with my top? I think I'm thinking that I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to just let you work on the homework. Unless, you know what I'll do? I know what I'll do. Since we have kind of a short day, why don't I pass out the homework, and I'm going to just turn off the video, and I'll do another problem that's on the homework. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And then you guys can, or at least I'll set it up, and then you guys can finish it. Does that work?
Yeah.
But I think you guys will get it. I don't think it's very
Bye,
hard.
future self.
There's only one that's a little
Wait,
different.
Gary,
but
did you get the math video?
Did I stop it?
Bye, future video.
Goodbye.